In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom questions to booking form. By the end, you'll know exactly how to collect the information you need before someone books time with you, so your meetings are more focused and productive. Start by opening the event type you want to change. Think of an event type as the template for one kind of meeting, like a 30-minute intro call or a consultation. You'll be updating its settings so invitees see your questions as part of the booking experience. Inside the event type settings, look for More options. This is where Calendly keeps extra configuration for things like notifications, confirmation pages, and, in our case, form fields. Open More options, then expand the section called Invitee Form. This is the area that controls which questions appear on the booking page, beyond the default name and email fields. Now click plus Add New Question. A new field appears, and this is where you'll craft what you want to ask. Keep your question clear and purposeful. For example, you might ask for goals for the meeting, preferred topics to cover, or a short project description. Avoid asking for sensitive information or anything that isn't essential for preparing. Next, choose the answer type that fits best. If you want a brief response in their own words, use a single line text field. If you expect more detail, choose a longer text field so invitees can provide context. When you want them to pick exactly one option, like a preferred meeting format, use radio buttons. If multiple selections could apply, such as services they're interested in, use checkboxes. Clear labels help your guests answer quickly and accurately. Decide whether the question should be required. Turning on required ensures you always get that information before a time is confirmed. Use this for must-have details that guide your preparation. For anything nice to have, leave it optional to keep the form lightweight and reduce drop-off. You can repeat this process to add as many questions as you need. As you draft them, place the most important ones first and keep the wording concise. A shorter, well-structured form usually leads to higher completion rates and better quality responses. If you're collecting preferences, consider offering predefined choices to save time and reduce confusion. When you're done, your invitees will see these questions on the booking page and you'll receive their answers alongside the meeting details. That's all there is to it. Simple, clear, and tailored to your workflow. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, try refining your questions over time based on the responses you get, and you'll keep improving the quality of every meeting you book.